What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over XCN, which is down 1% at 1.5 cents. $500 million market cap, 516 million, 33.8 billion coins in circulation out of 48 billion. All-time high in this coin was 3 years ago at 18 cents. All-time low was over a year ago on October 11th, 2023 at quadruple 07. So XCN is currently available on the following exchanges: HTX, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate.io, LBank. So I'm not going to make this a clickbait video this time, even though that was really fun, funny last time, man. But with us into the price prediction, technical analysis of XCN. All right, guys. XCN right now is in a giant cup and handle pattern. Obviously, we've talked about that over and over. If you don't know what cup and handle is, just type in cup and handle pattern and you'll probably jizz in your pants. Um, sorry, I had to do that. But indicators right now are looking pretty solid. This is a pretty good consolidation that's going on here. I know we've been covering XCN since it's been down here in the initial run up, which brought a lot of you guys to my channel, and then we really haven't been doing shit since. But if you look at this, this definitely is the definition of a cup and handle. Obviously, going back to 2022, which is a very, very bullish pattern. But for you long-term traders, that's what you're looking at. For you short-term traders, you really don't care about those signals. You want to know, where is this coin going? And as of right now, in the short term, on the day short term, we are actually looking really, really well. The MACD did reset. We're working towards our bullish crossover right now. You can see it kind of bottomed out around the 3rd of June. And since then, we have been more bullish than bearish. It doesn't reflect in the price, but the overall momentum has shifted from bullish to bearish. Same with the RSI. RSI steep bottom right here at a local bottom, which we touched April 6th. And we saw a nice V-shaped bottom with a nice run-up candle going there on the stock RSI. WTX, similar situation, starting to rally to the upside. And the big one, this is the huge one, guys. I put a lot of weight in the stock RSI on the day chart. Normally, every time we've touched the bottom here, it has been the most optimal time to, change momentum, change from bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. But with all the other indicators compiled on top of this, and this bottoming out right here and starting to run to the upside, and with so much room to run, it does look like this cup and handle pattern might be finally finishing its play out, which, if you've never experienced one, if you don't even know what one is, normally after a cup and handle pattern, you see a very, very, very explosive movement to the upside. Now, it's not going to be instant. It's not going to be weeks. It'll most likely be months. It might be till the end of the year, beginning of next year. But the overall momentum should shift from this consolidation phase, which is bullish, or not bullish, which is boring right now, to a more bullish scenario. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for XCN. On top of that, if we draw the fib from this high to the local bottom, which we saw August 2024, that 786 has just been brutal for us, guys. That 2 cents area has just beat us down since March of 2025. Since we fell below it, we tested it several different times. 1, 2, 3, 4 different times with rejection. So once you break above that, in my personal opinion, that will confirm the cup and handle pattern. And with the indicators the way that they are, I think we're at least going to go up here to test that 2 cents area. And if we break that, that's when we can start rocking and rolling. Now, I think the bull run's over end of October to middle of November this year. So we don't have that much time left, which means we're entering that fun phase where it's just up only season. And you can see we're on the tail end of the cup and handle pattern. We're entering that up only season. I think it's just, who believes in XCN and who doesn't right now. I think that's the key deciding factor. And even if we draw the lifetime fib, that 382 turned into the 618. The 618 is called the golden pocket. If you don't know what the golden pocket is, it's a lot to understand. The 618 is a very, very, very powerful resistance area. And you can kind of see that with the rejection that we had. It's also a very powerful support area when you're above it. We have the momentum with all these indicators and flipping from bullish bearish momentum to bullish to smash through that and continue to the upside. So overall, XCN, we might see some rejection here about that 2 cents, but I think in the short term we're heading up the 2 cents. And through for the remainder of the year, guys, I think this cup and handle pattern's getting ready to play out. So it's pretty much a buy and hold play for me. Just buy, hold, and XCN should run up very, very well, at least to $1 plus, in my personal opinion. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.